Bryn is an estate agent. He gets paid £205 a week plus commission for all the properties he sells. Last week he sold 3 properties for £103,500, £116,500 and £132,000. If he was paid £460.20, what percentage of commission did he earn on his sales? Bryn's wages made up of 2 parts. His usual pay of £205 plus his commission. So I can write that his wages equal to £205 plus commission. I know his wages £416.20. So, to get the amount he was paid in commission, I can subtract his weekly wage of £205 away from this. So £416.20 subtract £205 is equal to £211.20. So the commission he received from the sales was £211.20. I need to find what percentage this amount is of the sales he made. So, next I need to find the total for the sales. To do this, I add £103,500, £116,500 and £132,000. This equals £352,000. To find the percentage of commission he was paid, I need to find what percentage £211.20 is of £352,000. To do this, I'll divide £211.20 by £352,000, and then I'll multiply my answer by 100. This gives an answer of 0.06%. This is the percentage of commission that Bryn earns.